In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change characters in LEGO Batman 3 PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly swap between all of the characters available in LEGO Batman 3. This game has an extensive list of characters featured in its roster, so as you can see, you will be able to swap between all of these. All that you have to do is open up the character wheel. So if you are playing on a PlayStation 4, all that you have to do is press the triangle button. So press and hold the triangle button. This should bring up this wheel where you can choose the character option at the top and then use the bumpers on your controller to swap between them on this list. However, something that I need to make very clear is that LEGO Batman 3 has some limitations when it comes to switching characters. If you try to do this and nothing pops up, usually it's because that when you're still going through the campaign, you have to first swap to a different character by using one of the set terminals around each location in the maps. They can be a bit hard to find. Once you have used one of these terminals to swap to the character, then you will be able to hold triangle or Y to change between them. Once you have beaten the main campaign, these terminals should disappear and then you will be able to change characters whenever you wish. But to actually answer the question in the title of this video, all that you have to do to swap between the characters immediately is to press and hold the triangle button. Then choose the character option and browse through the list with L1 and R1. Swap between them as needed, and this should work for free play and story mode as well, as long as you have beaten the game and met the criteria needed to swap to a certain character. You will be able to see all of the costumes that they have, and if for whatever reason you are playing on an Xbox, you can do the same by pressing Y instead of triangle. But for PlayStation controllers, it is going to be triangle, and then you can use the joysticks and the bumpers to select between them. I hope I was able to help you on how to change characters in LEGO Batman 3 PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.